For those of you with existing websites, you currently have valuable content that's already been indexed by Google. So in planning your move to the new smart accommodation website, you need to identify which pages need to be mapped to the new pages of your new website. An easy way to see how many pages have been indexed is to type in site : and your website address and click enter. In this case, we've randomly selected a business in Perth called City Waters, and I can see that they have 7 pages indexed in Google. It's likely that your new website will not have the same URLs as your old website, so the spreadsheet that we've provided you should have a list of all the pages that your website currently has. And what you need to do is work through each page and identify, is it staying, is it being deleted, are you reusing the content, is there existing keywords that you'd like to use for your keyword research or move across. So the first thing that you should do is work through each of the pages and make a decision on where it should live in the new structure of your website. So let's take this page here, and we can easily just click on the blue link to see facilities. So we can copy that URL, then at the bottom tab switch to the new smart accommodation website layout and identify where that page should be redirected to. In this case it's the facilities page. So if we scroll across to the left a little bit, we can then paste in the old URL under the redirect old website page. And you can do this for as many URLs as you have that you need to direct to the facilities page. Then you simply switch back, pick another page. In this case index will probably go to the home page, links might go to the contact page, one unit that might go to the rooms and rates page, and depending on how many rooms you have, you might decide to link that directly with a specific room. And the rates page that we've got here might get linked directly to the top level room and rates page. So you can see it's a fairly simple task to work through your pages. I mean, this is a very small website and you might have one many times this, but it's essential that for every link that you've got on your website you align that with a new page, and if a page doesn't exist then you can create that page or you can consolidate it into an existing page. The choice is up to you. While you're working through this process, you might also be interested in the existing keywords that you're currently using to optimize your website. In this case I can see that these keywords are very low value because they're not buying keywords, they're far too general, so this website hasn't been properly optimized. But let's say that this was a list of unique buying keywords, but you needed all of those separated. You can use a simple function called split. So to do that you can go equals split, and then it comes up prompting you brackets, then you select the cell that you want to split, enter a comma and then the quotes and another comma because that's what we're going to be splitting it on, end of quotes, end brackets, and click enter, and then the Google spreadsheet will then split out all of those keywords for you that you can simply copy and paste. And by dragging that little blue corner down, it will do the same for all of the keywords in each of your pages. And for this particular website, as I said, because it hasn't been optimized, they're just using the same keywords for every page, which is the wrong thing to do. Each of these pages should have unique keywords. But you can see now that we've got a nice list of keywords which we can copy into our keyword software and remove all the duplicates, which we'll talk about soon. So at the end of this exercise you would have mapped all your existing pages to the new smart accommodation website and start to have an idea of what new content you need to create and possibly what content needs to be reshaped to fit with this new website.